Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Before I let it run, I'm going to turn it off and then restart it and just see what happens. Because last time I did this, it was after it'd been run for a few minutes. I turned it off and then back on, and then it started making those not very nice noises. So I'll just see what the oil's doing. So it's dribbling back down through this section here, and the air's coming back up as it drops down. I'm just checking the sump and the oil level is correct. So I'll start it again. But the microphone's not on the camera, it's in my hand. Okay, that's all for now.